Hello, Carson. Let's go inside. You don't have to do this, you know. I'm a day trader. I could just go home.
You could.
I'll make it worth your while. I can take you to a cash machine. There's 14 grand in it for you.
Everyone just walks away.
A cash machine.
I do know where the bag is, you know.
If you knew where it was, you would have it with you.
I can find it by the riverbank. I know where it is.
I know something better.
What's that?
I know where it's going to be.
Where's that?
It will be brought to me and placed at my feet.
There's no certainty of that. 20 minutes and it could be here.
I do know to a certainty. And I know what's going to happen now, Carson. You will admit your situation. There will be more dignity in it.
Fuck you.
Let me ask you something. If the rule that you followed brought you to this, of what use was the rule?
You don't know how crazy you are, do you?
You mean the nature of this conversation?
No, I mean the nature of you. You can have the money, Anton.